Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm doing this again where I let my patrons pick my colors and also the acrylic pour technique for this painting. And they picked lime green, orange, teal, purple, and white. So it's going to be an interesting color combination. And I think I'm going to go crazy and swipe with orange. So the orange actually has 4 drops of silicone in it, and that's the Spot On Treadmill silicone. Let's see. Go ahead and put white up here. And I just want to give a special shout out to my patrons. You guys are awesome. Awesome, awesome. It's like my little fan club. And if anyone wants to check out my Patreon page, you can check that out in the description. I have different tiers of support, but either way, it's like a little fan club. Okay. And I will put all materials down in the description, but all of these paints are just mixed with Floetrol and water, except for the orange, which has the silicone in it. There's the teal. Bumping into myself. These are really pretty colors together. The orange makes it a bit of a wild card. But these colors I think would be beautiful in a swipe on their own. Alright, I think I'm going to do just a smidge more purple. And I do love purple and orange together. Alright. So what I'm going to do first is just move the paint around a little bit to ensure I fully cover the canvas, and then we'll go ahead and do our swipe. I like to just use my fingers here on the edges. And I always make sure that the canvas is fully covered so that you don't have to worry when you do your swipe about missing a spot or something. And go ahead and pull it way up there. I'm going to tilt just a little bit. Okay. All right. I think we got it nice and covered. Oops, missed a couple spots here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my orange down right here on the edge. I have definitely never swiped with orange, which is why I thought it would be kind of a fun experiment here. All right. And then I'm using my swipe tool. This is a 12-inch paint guide. I'm pretty sure I got it at Lowe's. And the trick is to just gently pull it across. Try to hit all spots. Now, if you miss some spots like this, look how cool that is, guys. Oh my gosh, that worked amazingly. Let me find, you can use like either a smaller swiping tool to just get those spots. In this case, you know what, I'm just going to use a stick. Oh, yeah, that didn't quite work as planned. Oh my gosh, swiping with orange was awesome there. Let's see. All right, 1 second. You know when you clean your studio and you move everything? Okay. I'm actually just going to use a little piece of plastic. And that way I can get a little more control there. Cool. Okay. That's good enough for that. One more. Okay. I like that. I'm okay with that. One more little swipe on this side. There we go. Okay. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and we'll let this sit here for just a minute. And actually, just for funsies, I'm going to go ahead and torch this. Okay. All right, let's let it sit for a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So a little more cell action in here. We're going to go ahead and do our close-up. So starting on the bottom right-hand corner as usual, these colors together are just awesome. And then if you look at that, just the orange in between is so different, I think. Like, it's very unique. And I am loving over here the orange with the teal. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So, sorry, I'll go through a little slower here. Yeah, just super fun color combos here. I'm loving it. There you go. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see me do another painting with these same colors, maybe a flip cup. I think would be really cool. And otherwise, once again, thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are really the best, and I will see y'all next time.